and a very good morning to my fellow friends and our beloved lecturer, Puan Nur Akilah Binti Mohamad Mansuri. Today, we are going to present about use of scala and vector in aircraft navigation. Before we start, allow me to introduce myself and my group members first. My name is Sumalynn, anak perempuan Riang, and my group members are Aimi Shafiqqa Binti Mohamad Safwan, Hatimah Binti Sulaimi, and Farah Fahlina Binti Mohamad. We are all from DKA 1B. Introduction. What is scala? A scala is a physical quantity which has only number value or size, or usually known as magnitude. A scala tells us how much of something there is. Next, what is vector? Vectors are different because they are physical quantities which have both magnitude and direction. Therefore, it can be represented geometrically using a line segment with an arrow. The length of the vector represents the magnitude drawn to scale, and the arrow indicates the direction. This slide is about application of vector in aircraft navigation. Knowledge of aircraft navigation is vital for safety. One important application is the search and rescue operation. Imagine that some people are stuck on a mountain in a bad weather. Fortunately, with a mobile phone, they manage to contact the nearest mountain rescue base for help. The mountain rescue team need to send a helicopter to save these people. In this case, scala and vector basic knowledge is very important to predict the distance, direction, area, and all the elements in scala and vector scope in order to find out information about victims' destination through calculating methods. Now, I will place my group members to continue with our presentation.
Hello, I'm Aimi. I will explain about how to calculate the scala and vector in this question. So we can see in this picture, have a helicopter of the rescue team, have a mountain and the people who are on the mountain. So as the rescue station, we plot SO. For a mountain, we plot SA. And for people who are on the mountain, we plot SB. So from O to A, the point is 3I minus 5J plus 4K. From A to B, the point is not given. And from O to B, the point is 2I plus 5 minus K. The rescue team cannot go to help the people who are on the mountain because of the bad weather. So they need to stop on the one mountain first before go to help the people who are on the mountain. Okay, next is the calculation. Yeah, this is the first question. This is the picture of the question. And this is the formula that we use in the question. So the first question is about the addition. We need to find the scala of AB. So AB is equal to AO plus OB. Equal to negative in the bracket 3I minus 5J plus 4K plus in the bracket 2I plus 5J minus K equal to negative 3I plus 5J minus 4K plus 2I plus 5J minus K. So the last answer is negative I plus 10 minus 5K. Okay. The next question, we need to find the magnitude of AB. So we use the formula of the magnitude. Square root negative 1 power of 2 plus 10 power of 2 plus negative 5 power of 2 equal to square root 1 plus 100 plus 25. The last answer is square root 126. Okay, the last question is we need to find the unit vector of AB. Unit vector of AB is equal to scala of AB divided to magnitude of AB. So is equal to negative I plus 10J minus 5K divided to in the square root 126. So the last answer is negative 1I divided to square root 126 plus 10J divided to square root 126 minus 5K divided to square root 126. Okay, that's all for me. Anis will continue on the calculation more.
Nama saya Fahlina Binti Mohamad dari kelas DKA 1B. Terima kasih kepada Aimi. Seterusnya saya akan sambung pula dengan pengiraan skala produk. Skala produk antara OA dot OB equal 3I tolak 5J tambah 4K dot 2I tambah 5J tolak K equal 3 darab 2 tambah negatif 5 darab 5 tambah 4 darab negatif 1 equal negatif 23. Okey, saya akan tunjukkan cara bagaimana untuk mengira angle between two vector. Magnitude OA equal square root 3 square tambah -5 square tambah 4 square equal square root 9 tambah 25 tambah 16 equal square root 50. Magnitude AB equal square root 2 square tambah 5 square tambah -1 square equal square root 4 tambah 25 tambah 1 equal square root 30. Cos theta equal -23 over square root 50 square root 30 equal -0.594 equal 126.44 degree. Okey, saya akan sambung pula dengan vektor cross product. Cross vektor antara OA cross OB equal I, J, K. I 3, J -5, K 4, I 2, J 5, K -1 equal -5 darab -1 tolak 4 darab 5 I tolak 3 darab -1 tolak 4 darab 2 J tambah 3 darab 5 tolak 2 darab -5 K equal -15 I tambah 11 J tambah 25 K. Itu saja pengiraan dari saya. Sekarang ini saya akan serahkan kepada Hatimah.
Hello, I am Hatimah. We'll talk about the conclusions. In conclusion, scalar and vector has helped our life in many ways, especially in aircraft navigations. It's also used in other courses such as engineering, surveying, and others. Therefore, it clearly states that scalar and vector has helped a lot in aircraft course. For instance, the work on rescue operation has used a lot of scalar and vector concepts.